Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another tip again today that relates to painting with acrylics. It's another tip that I find very helpful. It's just a way of making a palette at home with things you might find around the house, and this way your acrylic paints will stay wet when you're painting, and then they'll stay wet for a couple sessions because you can put a lid on the palette that you can make at home. So you can do this at home yourself with these three simple items. One, you need like a Ferrero Rocher box or any sweet box that has a lid and it's plastic and seals itself, and then a little bit of kitchen paper to absorb the water, and then the last item you need is a bit of greaseproof paper or oven paper for putting the paints onto. So I'm just going to show you how I would do that myself. So the first thing you need to do is take the sweets jar, open that up, and then take your kitchen paper, put it into the sweet jar like that, press it down, and then just add a little bit of water which will help keep the paint wet. So then push the kitchen paper down and dab it down so it's nice and level, and then take your greaseproof paper, which I cut to size earlier, put that down in, press that down flush to the wet kitchen roll paper, and then all you need to do then is take the paints that you plan on using for that session and just put them into the new palette as you plan on using them. There we go. And then lastly, a little bit of white in the center of the palette there. And then once you have that, and then you can use that for your session, and then when you're done, the lid will seal back on like so, and it'll be airtight. It'll be an airtight seal, and that'll keep the paints wet because of the wet kitchen roll underneath the greaseproof paper. And because the greaseproof paper doesn't let the water through, it will just keep the acrylic paints wet. So it's a really handy tip if you're painting for a couple sessions and you don't want to keep redoing your palette, especially with acrylic paints that dry so fast. This is a little tip that will help the acrylic paints last a bit longer and means you can continue on session after session. So I hope you guys found that helpful, and I would love to hear any questions or comments about that tip. And please, if you do like the channel, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks very much.